All right, what's going on, everybody? Today's my off day, but I did want to talk about my meal prepping. I do get a lot of questions about it, so I kind of just want to dig into it. Now, I've done the meal prepping for the week. Okay, son, where I'm spending every Sunday, spending 2 to 3 hours prepping food, and that's chicken, rice, sides, all of that. It got to be too much to where every Sunday I was dedicating 2 to 3 hours that I took away from my family to meal prep. So I looked into meal prep services. And what I discovered is that they're fucking expensive. It's brutal. But if you look further into it, you're saving 2 to 3 hours. You're spending the same amount of money that you would be spending at the store or if you went out, that kind of stuff. So we're going to get into it. So let's do that. So the service I use is Flex Pro Meals. I found them by accident. I looked into it. And then after I found them, I started seeing a bunch of videos online where you got like big influencers promoting it. But they're just promoting the meals. They're not showing you everything. I'm going to show you everything. So you go on there, you pick your meal plans. There's regular and then there's large. So after you do that, you pick how many meals you want. I think it's like 10, 15, 20, something like that. And the price varies. What I got was the 15 meals at large. And the price every week is $152.34. So there's that. And that's everything that comes with it. So 3 meals a day, 15 meals at $152.34. Now, the way mine is set up is that on Mondays, I can make my final alterations. So you can alter your meals. And then after that, the charge comes out on Wednesday. And then, it takes a full week to cycle. And then you get it the next week. But every Monday, for me, you can change your meal style. And this is what the meals look like. They come in this container. It is kind of hard to get this off because of the glue that's on it after it's heated up. So either I'm really weak or this shit's really strong and they need to use this everywhere. But it gives you your net carbs, it gives you your protein, it gives you the fat, and then it gives you the total calories and of course the ingredients that's in it, and then sell by date. So when I get these, and it's got a heating pad on the inside as well, kind of like MREs. Now, when I do get it, I do stick them in the freezer, and then I'll take 3 out the night before so it can kind of defrost, and that way you just prolong the life cycle of them. But they do come in this box that's all styrofoamed out, or not styrofoamed out, but and it's got all the bubble wrap in there, or insulation, that's the word I was looking for. And then it comes with these giant ass ice packs. There's 2 of them in here. The only thing that does suck is trashing it all because I feel kind of bad, but it's worth it. It saves me so much time and the time that I get to spend with my family instead of focusing on meal prepping. So do with that information with what you will. This is my honest review of it. Do I recommend it? Yes. I love this stuff. Is it for everybody? No. But any time that I get to spend with the boys is way worth it. So that's my honest review, guys. Let me know what you guys think, or if you guys use the service. Hi. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 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 But until tomorrow, be happy, be healthy, be you, stay safe, and keep doing whatever you need to do to stay happy at the end of the day. Deuces.